we want to be the best run government. We said we want to have the best run financial services for the best run government. King County is a very large organization, large regional government. We handle everything from wastewater treatment to running the buses, transit, to the court systems, public health.
We had just come off of the first countywide employee engagement survey, and the results for our office were not good, and our leadership team was really discouraged and disappointed, but at the same time, when we got our results, we felt it.
Amongst supervisors, what I witnessed was very antagonistic relationships, and quite honestly, a little territorial.
One of the things that we realized is that we really need to figure out how to strengthen our team.
They need to be able to trust one another, to have a conversation and resolve that conflict. I mean, without trust, teams just don't operate well.
Using the 5 behaviors of a cohesive team model really talks about how that trust is foundational to our ability to solve problems, come together and have healthy conflict so that we can get on the same page.
We realized that actually this is the problem. This is within our control to fix. So it was a wake-up call to a lot of us to take action and to do something to improve how we work together.
We kicked off with a all-staff retreat. We started learning about the 5 behaviors of cohesive team and what it means.
Just sharing that with each other, we learned all kinds of things about each other that even though we had worked many years together, didn't know. It just got people to open up a little bit more because I think it was sort of natural sharing, it was easy conversations, but we hadn't really taken the time to do that.
We just had really rich conversations about what our backgrounds are, and just by going through it, the leadership team, all these supervisors, they got extremely incentivized to do this work with their own teams.
Because we were excited about the 5 behaviors and it was really helping us as a team, we thought, let's try to get our own staff, a couple of individuals here certified in that training. We become our own sort of experts, at least have a couple people that could facilitate that, and then really start to embed that in our culture.
For me, my main reason we started this work is that I was just tired of running boring meetings. Because we brought the drama that was meeting after meeting into the meeting became way more interesting. We hash out those issues and trying to do problem solving in the meeting.
The employee engagement scores have gone up dramatically from the time that we started working through the 5 behaviors of a cohesive team until the first time that we did a check-in about it. I had 0 instances of somebody coming back to my office to tell me about something that a coworker had done or a slight or issues, and they were really actually going to each other. People care about each other a little bit more, and there's a feeling of camaraderie and a little bit more like a family, which is, I think, what everybody is looking for when they come to work. And I just didn't realize that it was missing until after we started working through the 5 behaviors of a cohesive team.
We spend a lot of our time at work. We value it. It can be even better and more productive, and you can have better relationships with people, get more done if you change the dynamic of your team.